sampling methods. So there's 3 different ways you can sample a population. There is random, systematic, and stratified sampling. So we'll start off by looking at random sampling. And this one's pretty much self-explanatory. You just have to choose random points, selecting locations by chance, and that usually has the greatest effect on reducing bias. Okay, and it gives each area an equal chance of being sampled. So you might select from this location, all of these different locations. So from here, here, and here. Now that's a random selection of those locations there. That's an example of random sampling. Now let's have a look at systematic sampling, which is a little bit different. So if we have the same area, let's look at a little bit bigger. It's like this, and then we have to collect samples at regular intervals, such as every 5 meters along a transect. Okay, so that might be from this point, this might be 5 meters, this one, and then this would be 5 meters. So it's regular intervals across an area. So for this one, we're looking at collecting information at every 5 meters, and that's usually done by using a transect. We'll go through sampling techniques like quadrats, transects, and capture-recapture in another video, but we're just looking at the different methods now. So that is systematic, and it doesn't have to be just the distance between. It could be you look at every second species that you encounter. It's some sort of system where you do the same for each sample, or the same distance apart, or you look at every 3rd area, or every 2nd tree, or something like that. It's a systematic way of sampling population. And then let's look at stratified sampling now. So stratified sampling, that involves dividing the area into sections, okay, or strata, and samples are taken from each. So if we look at an area like this one here, we might take information from this area or that strata, and then the strata over here. So you divide the area into sections, and samples are taken from each. Alright, so that's probably more to represent this visually. It would be involved separating the system into 4 areas, and then collecting information from here, 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 and here. So that's to make sure that every section or strata the samples are taken from. So that means that all parts of the heterogeneous environment are represented. So that is stratified sampling. Alright, hopefully that makes a bit of sense, and we'll go through sampling techniques in a future video.